Okay, so we're starting here. This is our starting point. So now we're graphing the whole function. So notice that when we are here, we're not at I anymore. We're at I times e to the at. So I'm going to do this. Let's so in black, for our black graph, a is greater than 0. It's positive. It can be just like 0.01. It doesn't have to be very big, but it's some positive number. So when I get to here, this is e raised to the a times pi over 2 times I. So what's happened to my graph now? It's gone out. Well, my next one, this one is e raised to the a times pi. But that's getting even larger than this one, isn't it? Okay, so you could say this one is greater than that one. You know, we don't make greater than signs up like that very often. But so what's happened here is by the time over at -1, it's -1 times that positive number. It's an even larger negative number. So this is e to the -1 times e to the a times pi. And so we're even up further. Then at our next point, this is going to be e raised to the a times 3 pi over 2. Oh boy. This is going to be, well, if I'm that far out here, I've got to be further out than that. So I've got to be down like here. So over here. This is e a 3 pi over 2 times minus I. So look at this. It's going down even further now. Yeah. Because this point is value, this scalar is clearly larger than that one. And if you do it again, this becomes e raised to the a times 2 pi. It's just growing out of control. And probably be somewhere out here. So what's happening? Taking a job, huh? Maybe you like the rest of my coffee. So wait a minute. When a is positive, what do I have? I have a solution that's spiraling outwards. So here. So let's make that note. When a is greater than 0, the solution, or let's put the graph. Spirals out. I put an exclamation because it's nice to draw a spiral that fits on the board, but in reality, that spiral usually goes pretty fast. What happens if a is less than? No. What happens if a is less than 0? Yeah, right. So if I had, so that's when you use your pretty dark green color. Only for a less than 0. So if I had a less than 0, yeah, I would have it would start here, as you'd expect, but then each time it would get a little bit closer, a little bit closer, and a little bit closer, and so you'd have a spiral. It eventually goes to 0. So this is a less than. What does that mean? Okay. All right, let's pause there. Take our 11-minute break. When we get back, we're going to do a little bit more. Take a break, stretch your legs, tell your friends what you learned.